Travel Guard Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're planning a trip, Travel Guard promises to make travel insurance simple and stress-free, but is it really worth it? One of the biggest pros is coverage flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming travel insurance only covers medical emergencies. In reality, Travel Guard offers plans for trip cancellation, lost luggage, flight delays, and even emergency evacuation. For example, if your flight is cancelled due to weather, Travel Guard can reimburse your prepaid costs, helping you avoid financial headaches. The app also makes managing policies easy. You can buy insurance, access your cards, file claims, and track reimbursements directly from your phone. Push notifications keep you updated about claim status or policy changes, which can save time and reduce frustration. Another advantage is global assistance. Travel Guard provides customer support in multiple languages, which can be a lifesaver if you encounter an emergency abroad. Most people underestimate how valuable quick access to support is when traveling internationally. However, there are cons. Some users report that filing claims for certain incidents can be complicated or take longer than expected. Policy limitations may also catch travelers off guard. For example, pre-existing conditions or high-risk activities may not be fully covered. The app experience can vary depending on your region, and customer service quality differs based on the office handling your claim. In conclusion, Travel Guard is ideal for travelers who want comprehensive coverage and convenient mobile access. The surprising truth is that while it can provide peace of mind and financial protection, it's crucial to read the fine print and understand your coverage limits. For anyone looking to travel with confidence, Travel Guard offers a reliable and accessible solution, but being informed about exclusions and claim procedures will ensure you get the most from your policy.